this video, you're going to be learning how to create a Gmail account without using your phone number. Yes, we have some people have concerns about this in the past, and they reach out to me, and I promised to make a video explaining vividly how you can create your Gmail address without using a password. So if this is the kind of video you're looking for, do well to watch till the end, and please do not skip any part of this video, because I'm going to be showing you step by step what you need to do to create a Gmail address without them requesting for your phone number for verifications. To create an email without a phone number, all you have to do is to go to your mail. After going to your mail, you click on the inbox. Yes, you have to click on your inbox. Then when it opens, you click on add. For some emails, you will see plus sign. Click on Gmail, because that's what we want to open, and continue. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you click on choose another account. You click on create account, because we want to create a new email. All right, so you have to choose a name for that email account that you want to open. For me, I'm going to type Suzy K Corner. Yes, I will use that name because I want to create a new email for a page, my page. So you click on next. So after next, you add your enter your basic information, your month of birth, your day of birth, and the year. Okay, so you choose your gender. I'm a female, of course, so I click on next. Then you choose your Gmail address. So I'm going to go for the second option there and click on next. Okay, so enter your password, and please make sure you enter a strong password that you will be able to recall, like you're going to remember the password easily. They said create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, so they said I should enter the password again to confirm that I can remember it. Okay, all right, so click on next. So add recovery email. Okay, I'm just going to leave this and skip it. Just going to skip this. All right. Okay, so you see they say we should review your account info. So our email has already been created, so I have to agree to the terms now. Agree to the terms. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so continue. Click on continue. You click on that option up there and also click on continue. All right, so they are logging us into the new email we just created. Okay, and as you can see, that email has been created successfully without the use of a phone number. So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video very helpful. So here you have it. Thank you so much for watching till the end.